Good morning, grade 8s. Miss Muirhead here. Welcome to your first online math lesson. Mr. Grieve and I are super excited to get this started, and as you know, this is new for all of us, so thanks so much for being patient as we try and get things up and rolling. So what's going to happen today? We are going to begin our new chapter, which is Surface Area, Chapter 5, and we are going to start by discussing what a net is, looking at nets for different 3D objects, and then drawing some of our own. In this chapter, we will eventually get to calculating surface areas for prisms and cylinders. We'll also solve some real-life problems with surface area, but as I said earlier, we're going to just start with this first bullet point of drawing and building nets for 3D objects. If you're trying to find a textbook set of questions that would align with what we're doing today, you're going to look in Chapter 5 under Section 5.2, which is called Nets of Three-Dimensional Objects. We're going to come back to Section 5.1 tomorrow. To begin, we have to determine what a net is. A net is a 2D shape that when folded forms a 3D shape or a solid. A net is also a pattern made when the surface of a 3D shape is laid out flat, showing each face. So over here we have a triangular prism. It is a 3D shape, and if we were to unfold it and lay it out flat, it would look like this net. This net has 5 different faces. There are 3 rectangles and 2 triangles. And again, as we said, if you were to fold on these dotted lines and glue using these tabs, it would look like this triangular prism over here. When we're talking about 3D shapes, there's some important vocabulary that we need to be aware of. So if we look at this rectangular prism, you will notice that it has 8 different corners. Those corners are each called a vertex or vertices.